Well, hey YouTube, guess who we found in New Orleans? Well guys, I just got a shower here at the Anytime Fitness and waiting on Steph to get out. Sorry about the wind noise. But we're gonna meet up with Element Van Life. He stopped by yesterday where we parked in the French Quarter, and today we're gonna meet him up here a little bit uptown, and he'll show us around a little bit, bring you guys along. He's gonna do a little tour of our van, so you can check that out on his channel. I'm sure I'll put a little card above. Just click there and check it out if you'd like. See our latest modifications on the van and everything like that, so you'll be able to see exactly all the new things that are on here, because I haven't showed everything. So Nate will actually get a little tour before I even get to do the tour. So So today, Nate was nice enough to meet us here at the city park and do a little van tour of our van and show us around New Orleans a little bit. We really appreciate that. Kind of hung out in the van yesterday for a couple hours right down in the French Quarter, which was really nice. We just kind of hung out. And
it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You guys have one of the best Promaster City conversions I've ever seen, and there's a lot of space in there, so it was a lot of fun hanging out.
Perfect
really
for a cold day
that.
when you don't really want to go outside walking and see the sights, and you can just hang out and, you know, talk with friends and stuff. That's really nice.
Yeah, it was great.
A lot of that's what this life is really all about, guys, is meeting people on the road, sharing your experiences, and that to me is priceless.
Yeah.
Nate taking a few pictures. Well guys, Nate just got done doing a little tour of our van, but as you can tell, he's been doing this as long as we have, and he's doing it in a lot smaller space. But I really enjoy watching these small rigs. Alright guys, we met up with Element Van Life. His sticker's gonna go right here underneath the fan. There we go. Added that to our collection. Thanks, Nate. It's been really nice hanging out with Nate today. We really enjoyed ourselves. He's been a great host here in New Orleans. Well, we're gonna make our way back down to the French Quarter and stay right there on near Frenchman Street and hang out for the night. And we're gonna get our way up to Dallas, Texas tomorrow. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you up the road on the next one. Thanks.
Nice meeting you guys.
Thanks, Nate.